Right, so let's go over the large intestine. ठीक है? So when undigested food reaches the large intestine, it mainly consists of water, salts and undigested material. अब यहाँ पे मेजॉरिटी जो वाटर और सॉल्ट्स हैं वो ब्लड स्ट्रीम में अब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. So structurally it is 6 feet long and it is a muscular tube that opens into the rectum, and it uses a highly specialized process to basically process the waste material and get rid of it. ठीक है, and this makes the emptying of the bowels easy and convenient. And the large intestine can be divided into the following sections. You have the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, the sigmoid colon, ये वाला region, and the rectum. ठीक है, so the appendix is a small tube also attached to the cecum. We'll know what that is. So the cecum, it is the first part of the large intestine and it is involved in the formation of feces. Then let's talk about the ascending column. So it shows peristaltic movements that carry feces from the cecum to the transverse colon towards the right side of the abdominal cavity. अब आपके असेंडिंग कोलन में बैक्टीरिया होते हैं जो कि वेस्ट मटेरियल को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं और कुछ सर्टेन विटामिन सच एज के B1 B2 एंड B12 भी लिबरेट करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. एंड द वॉल्स ऑफ द कोलन absorb water and these vitamins. So the feces are in the form of a condensed solid waste when it leaves the colon. Then coming to the transverse colon, it is present between the ascending and descending colon and it is the longest region of the colon. अब यहाँ पे E. coli present होता है which aids in the formation of vitamin K and वहाँ से उसकी absorption into the blood as well. So the walls of the transverse colon absorb water, vitamins and nutrients into the body, and the main function of this is absorption and formation of feces. Moving on to the descending colon, most of the water and nutrients are already absorbed by the time that we reach this colon, or the digested food basically reaches this colon. ठीक है ना? So it transfers the material to the sigmoid colon. So descending colon का काम सिर्फ इतना है कि it acts as a transfer. ठीक है? अब sigmoid colon के पास जब खाना आ गया तो it is an S-shaped region where the fecal matter passes from the descending colon to sigmoid colon and then to the rectum. Its main function is to store the feces until it is ready to be expelled out. Then finally, we are going to talk about the formation of stool. The small intestine is the major site of absorption of nutrients and digestion of food that we know. So when food enters the small intestine, only there is only a small amount of chyme in the small intestine, in the large intestine. Okay? Here, the contractions in the wall of the cecum make the chyme mix with the bacteria, and then it moves upwards into the ascending colon. वही प्रोसेस जो हमने सारा भी डिस्कस किया है. And the stool is made up of food debris and bacteria. So how is stool eliminated? Peristaltic movement is responsible for the movement of stool from the colon into the rectum, and only water is reabsorbed in the colon. So stool is stored in the sigmoid colon before getting eliminated. It normally takes about 36 hours for stool to get through the colon, and when the descending colon becomes full of stool, it empties its contents into the rectum to begin the process of elimination.